Now, even though cryptocurrency prices are on the decline right now, things may be bottoming out and hitting a nice floor. Now, the technical analysis is still very good for XRP, though. It says, do not be fooled by XRP's price dump. Guys, I don't think it's necessarily a price dump when XRP goes from $3 to $2.87, right? A 5% weekly decline, that's essentially standard across the board here. Over the week, Bitcoin's down almost 3%, Ethereum's down 6.5%, XRP down 5%, Solana down 8%, Dogecoin down 10%. You can see it's been a very tough week for cryptocurrency, despite the fact that the Federal Reserve lowered interest rates, that they expect more interest rate cuts in 2025, that we've got catalysts and regulatory clarity like we have never had before, and now we've got technical analysis that shows XRP could be setting up for a new all-time high. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you for watching the videos on this channel. I'm not able to post on my main account, Claybro, probably until the middle of December, so I wanted to point that out. And if you guys would like to continue watching the videos, please hit the subscribe button on this channel. Absolutely appreciate all the support. It says XRP dipping under $2.90 might be enough to put off anyone thinking of buying at the last minute, but for now, the key indicator is showing something else entirely. The weekly Bollinger Bands still keep XRP well above the midline at 270, while the top of the band sits as high as 354. So after yesterday's notorious dip, which led to $1.6 billion in liquidations in just 24 hours, the price of XRP fell from $3 to $270. Many rush to proclaim that this is the end of alt season, but those making bearish calls may find themselves on the losing side once the dust has settled. And I agree. Guys, we're not going to see the end of alt season when we haven't even seen a fear and greed index above a level of neutrality, right? If you look at the the coin market cap fear and greed index, it's been below greed for like the last month. You know, we haven't had a greedy situation in a while, so I don't think that we get the end of altcoin season here when we're still sitting very nicely at a level of 69, and the fear and greed index has not been overheated in quite some time from now. He says the Bollinger Bands show that after the sell-off, XRP stopped falling in the middle band, a key support level on the weekly chart. The XRP price has been stuck between 277 and 296 all month, moving sideways while every attempt to dip below 277 is rejected. Sellers keep testing that level and failing, and the band just keeps holding up. Now, 316 is a key resistance level. It says a break above this point will change the daily structure and put a stamp on the price for a higher range, where new highs are more likely to come into play. With a market cap of $180 billion, XRP is not some meme coin that is all about hype. It trades on liquidity flow. Bollinger compression has been consistently a reliable signal when the market is about to expand. The move under 290 is not confirmation of weakness, just positioning inside the bands before the next attempt higher. So if you guys are interested in grabbing XRP or any other crypto for that matter, make sure to take a look at the KCEX exchange. By far my favorite exchange here in the United States. And you can trade on up to 125x leverage, cheapest fees in the industry, major altcoins and Bitcoin, 0% maker, 0.01% taker fees. So make sure to check that out. Best selection of meme coins that you could find in a US exchange as well. They pretty much got everything you would want. And I'm also diversifying into these tiny little tokens like Bitcoin Hyper, Pepe Node, Maxi Doge, Best Wallet, and Snorter token. You guys got links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you think about it. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.